everybody. This is just a quick little video to show you how to select a weather service from the Alfred Weather app, because it defaults to dark sky, and we all know that dark sky is no longer in service. So you can't get an API key from dark sky. You have to choose one of the other two options. So here is how you would select a weather service. First, you would go to your Alfred search bar and type in the WTR to select options. And here's options. And then you see I have open the service as open weather already selected, and my key is hidden. But I have to type in services. Is it services or service? And now, yeah, it's service and then a space, and then you should get these three options. And simply select one by using the arrow keys to go up or down, and then hit enter, and your service that you have a key for will be selected. And I'm not going to do it now because I already have mine selected, but this is just to show you how to select a working weather service, and you do have to have an API key for it. Because by default, the Alfred Weather workflow selects dark sky as its default weather service. And like I said earlier, dark sky is no longer providing free API keys because it's been acquired by Apple, and they're no longer providing API keys. Anyway, this is how you would select a working weather service, but you do have to have the API key in place. All right, guys, that's all I have for now. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you all in the next video.